Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to show you how you can creating the smart earring. So let's be starting on the schematic diagram. As a PCB designer, of course, I make the smart earring. This MCU I was use this one, and it is small wearing devices. Of course, it's so small. I try to use the small thing. This one it can measure the temperature of your body, and then you can accessible using the Bluetooth on your phone. You can connect this earring on your phone, and then you are accessing you measure your temperature of your body through this earring. You see, it's so amazing. This one is one temperature sensor, and another this one is a temperature sensor. Of course, this one is battery, the small battery. This is CR2032. This one is a small battery, and this one is I use the side switch, and this one is the coupling capacitor, and this one is debugging, where you have to programming this one, and you see on this MCU we use, and this MCU is very so small, because we don't need the big things, and of course, the crystal is very important on the MCU. If you don't have, the project cannot working. So, and another thing I can say, like, see here we have the have a VR, have a DC to DC for the converting this one, the voltage, and this is the polar resistor for A to C connector. And I tried to design these things, so you see how it look like. Of course, I using the Flex PCB, because we don't need bigger size for the PCB one. So you see is here, and then I pressing all the component on the one side, on the top side, and you see here I put the one sensor on the top, another sensor on the bottom here, because this temperature sensor, they can measure the temperature on your body and the temperature on the room, so the near. So when you are so sweating, so your temperature is going hot, you have to using the two temperature, and then you comparing the two, the value from the two sensor, and then you get the accuracy, right? So another thing I can say is, like, you see, and then I choose to put the battery on the another side, the battery on the bottom side, of course, and then another component I put it on the top side. So, and also, you see, it's so small. It's like, you see, when you putting on this one, it look like you see the radius for this circle, for the big circle is 1.3 centimeter. Is so small, because it is 13 millimeter, and the peak, this one is the radius is the 3. It's so small. 3 millimeter is 0.3 centimeter. Is also small. I tried to make the small one, and then because it's should be wearable and comfortable for everyone. No one say this ring this earring is so big. No, I don't need things like that. And after this one, and then the first of all, this MCU is small. It's small in size. Let me show you why I selecting this one. It's like I try to find a small thing I can use for the wearable devices and the programmable. Oh, of course, here is 4.4. 4 times 4 means the size is 4.4 times 4.4 centimeter. It's so small. You get it? And even this temperature sensor is so small. Let me show you. You see, it's 2 times 2 millimeter, means 0.2 times 0.2 millimeter. It is also too small, and then it can be fitable for the wearing devices. And even you can use this one for the ring, you see the smart ring, and you can measure the temperature, heat center, and blood pressure. So in the future, I'm planning to measure blood pressure, a lot of things, and I think after designing the PCB and the schematic diagram, I saved it to the cover of the 3D shell or the enclosure, and I designed this one. You see how it looks like? It's so amazing, right? Even you can put it here, your picture if you want, and then you can put anything. You can print something on even writing. Anyway, you see, this one is the EasyEDA model for our PCB. You see here, you see the PCB inside. You see the PCB inside, and this you can look how it look like. You see on the bottom there is no anything, and it's that thing I make, I think. And the thing I did is this one. Of course, I tell you, I don't need to use the big size, of course. And let me show you something. Let me check here. Like this part has 2 millimeter, right? The first part, this one is 2 millimeter, right? 0.2. You see, and for the top one, I put like the part has 2 millimeter also, means the size for the ring, this head, it's have 4 millimeter. Is also small, so it's not big to have. The reason why I try to use this right thing, because we need to minimizing the size, and after minimizing the size, minimizing weight, and easy working, because when you make the big, the loss increasing, because this temperature cannot working in the big thing. And I chose to put in the let me show you the thing here. The thickness of this one I put in 0.2, because we need to connecting the board and your body, and then so that's why I using the 0.2. You get it? So it will be the sensor. It will be near connected to your body. The way I putting the small side, you putting the big size, the big gap, you cannot getting the accurate data. So the way I did like this one. So I'll buy. By the way, I think learn a lot of things for this project. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share. Don't forget to put like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.